Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start blogging with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Click on the Start Your Website button. You will need to create an account, so fill in your email address, choose a username, and set a password. After that, click the Create Your Account button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to choose a domain name for your blog. Select a catchy and relevant domain name that reflects your blog's theme. Once you choose a domain, click Select to move forward. You will be presented with different pricing plans. For beginners, the free plan is a great place to start. Choose the free plan, and then click on Start with Free. Now, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here you can select a theme for your blog. Browse through the available themes and pick one that appeals to you. Once you have selected a theme, click the Activate button. Next, click on Customize to personalize your blog's appearance. You can modify your site title, tagline, and colors in the customization menu. After making changes, remember to hit the Publish button to save them. Now, it's time to create your first blog post. On the dashboard, click Posts and then select Add New. In the editor, enter your blog post title and content. Feel free to format your text, add images, and include links as you wish. Once you're happy with your post, click the Publish button to make it live. To organize your content, consider adding categories and tags to your posts. You can do this by using the options located on the right side of the editor. Next, explore other features such as adding a contact form or social media links. To do this, navigate to Plugins in the dashboard. Search for plugins that fit your needs and click Install Now to add them. After the installation, remember to activate the plugin to start using it. Keep your blog fresh by regularly posting new content. Engage with your readers by responding to comments on your blog posts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.